Take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the light titanium, dark titanium, premium cloth seat trim, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. All-Star Edition, wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome style LED steel, fog lamps. Front, halogen and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.